How often do you go out on vacations or take a trip? And most importantly, when was the last time you gave some time to yourself? Regardless of wherever you plan to go or whatever you plan to do, maxing out on vacation days really matter. But if you do not have time right now to afford a vacation, we have a perfect plan for you and your family. In today's episode of Here's to Life, we discover what a star hotel is like and all the activities you can do without leaving the hotel premises. Currently, there are 130 star hotels, 625 tourist standard hotels, and 226 homestay services registered in Nepal. Among the star hotels, 13 are 5 stars, 8 are 4 stars, 33 are 3 stars, 45 are 2 stars, and 31 are 1 star hotels. And Hotel Akama is one of the 4-star hotels that was recently established. With the motto of developing Nepal as a destination for the world. The Sarima Group has promoted Akama Hotel as a fusion of local Nepali and Himalayan culture. And that is where we're heading today.
नमस्ते होटल अकामामा स्वागत छ तपाईलाई
हजुर धन्यवाद कस्तो राम्रो होटल इट्स लभली इट्स ब्युटिफुल and you must be the F&B manager.
हजुर
Okay, so होटलहरुमा चाहिँ म्यानेजर भन्ने बित्तिकै you are always so well dressed हैन मजाको टक्क परेर बस्नुहुन्छ but I'm sure responsibilities उत्तिकै धेरै होला
हजुर
भने पश्चात चाहिँ food and beverages पर्यो हैन so what goes on behind this glossy suit and this aura that you have
F&B भनेको जहाँ चाहिँ नि खाना पिना सर्भिस हुन्छ त्यो विभागलाई भनिन्छ तर त्यसमा चाहिँ हाम्रो रेस्टुरेन्टहरु मात्रै नभएर हाम्रो लाइक जहाँ तपाईले चाहिँ विवाह वर्तमान गर्नुहुन्छ सेमिनार गर्नुहुन्छ जहाँ तपाईले चाहिँ बिहान बेलुकाको चाहिँ कार्यक्रमहरु गर्नुहुन्छ ती सबै ठाउँमा सर्भिस गर्ने कुरोहरु चाहिँ फूड एन्ड बेभरेज अन्तर्गत पर्छ
हस्पिटालिटी सेक्टर भनेको चाहिँ यस्तो हो कि जहाँ आफ्नो लाइफमा पर्सनली व्हाटएभर इज गोइङ अन जे भए पनि घरमा यहाँ आएपछि चाहिँ यु हेभ टु हेभ अ स्माइल अन योर फेस यु हेभ टु ग्रीट देम प्रपरली एक किसिमको वार्म वेलकमिङ सधैँ हुनु पर्यो नि त सो कतिको च्यालेन्जिङ छ यो अथवा कसरी म्यानेज गर्नुहुन्छ यसलाई
जहाँ हामी सर्भिस सेक्टरमा काम गर्छौं त्यहाँ हामीले बिहान बेलुका दिउँसो अर्थात् राति भन्नु पाइँदैन हामी कहिलेकाहीँ हाम्रो घरमा सारै समस्या पर्दाखेरि पनि हामी आफ्नो कार्यक्षेत्र भनिन्छ त्यहाँ हामीले काम गर्नुपर्ने हाम्रो बाध्य हुन्छ जुन चाहिँ हाम्रो जिम्मेवारी हुन्छ त्यसको लागि हामी सबैजना यस्तो किसिमको चाहिँ हामी तयारी भएर बसेको हुन्छौं जहाँ हरेक एउटा व्यक्ति हाम्रो होटलमा आउनुहुन्छ उहाँहरुलाई खुशी बनाएर हामी पठाउने प्रयास गर्दछौं
यो obviously यत्रो ठुलो टिम हुँदाखेरि यति धेरै जब क्लाइन्ट्सहरु आउनुहुन्छ म्यानेज गर्न पनि सायद कतै न कतै कुनै किसिमको च्यालेन्जेसहरु पनि आउँछ होला स्पेशली जब फुडको कुरा गर्छौं हाइजिन स्यानिटेसन इज अल्सो इक्वली इम्पोर्टेन्ट र त्यति धेरै जनाको लागि त्यत्रो लार्ज ग्रुपमा सर्भिस दिँदाखेरि चाहिँ त्यहाँ पनि केही न केही किसिमको च्यालेन्जेसहरु अथवा अप्ठ्यारो हुने कुनै प्रब्लम्सहरु आउने पनि भएको छ
त्यस्तो यदाकदा हुन्छ तर पनि हाम्रो यस्तो किसिमको हाम्रो एउटा टिम छ जसले चाहे हाम्रो क्यापेसिटी भरिको जुनसुकै लेभलको गेस्ट आए पनि हामी उहाँहरुलाई खुशी बनाउन हामी सक्षम छौं वी सर्भ गुड फुड गुड सर्भिस एन्ड गुड एटमोस्फियर
Can you just take me around hotel?
Yes, please. Let's go.
The property was splendid and sophisticated, and it was uniquely designed for travel enthusiasts and energetic visitors with a refined style of living. The hotel offers world-class facilities with a high-end 4-star deluxe property. morning, chef. Sensei हुनुहुन्छ?
आराम छु नमस्ते
Namaste. So yes, we are here as a breakfast को setup पनि छ. But
हजुर।
usually chef हरू तपाईहरु चाहिँ सधैँ behind the scene नै हुनुहुन्छ. यहाँको roles, responsibility,
हजुर।
duties के हो भनेर पनि त्यति हामीलाई आइडिया छैन हैन. So सुरुमा त त्यसको बारेमा भनिदिनुस् न हामीलाई.
ओके थ्याङ्क यू फर द यहाँको प्रश्नको लागि
हजुर.
अब सेफको रोल भनेको त मेजरै हामीसँग फुडसँग खेल्ने भएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि फुडलाई नै कसरी इलाबोरेट तरिकाले हामीले गेस्टलाई सर्भिस दिन सक्छौँ त्यही नै मेन रोल हो त्यो चाहिँ नि हाइजेनिक तरिकाले र अन टाइममा गेस्टले पाउने हिसाबले नै त्यो मेन रोल हुन्छ
Chefs are said to be the brain of the
Oh,
delicacies, right?
हजुर।
So good chef बन्नको लागि चाहिँ के चाहिन्छ?
गुड सेफ बन्नको लागि सबैभन्दा पहिला त प्यासन हुनु पऱ्यो फुडमा चाहिँ एकदमै अब हङ्गर हुनु पऱ्यो र विभिन्न हाम्रो सानो चिजबाट पनि क्रिएटिभिटी देखाएर त्यसलाई गेस्टको अगाडि वाउ भन्ने हिसाबले सर्भ गर्न सक्नु नै सेफको मेन रोल हो
So Akama होटलमा चाहिँ chef special भनेर के छ?
हामीहरूको पुरै मेनुलाई नै अब सेफले नै त्यसलाई क्रिएसन दिएको कारणले गर्दाखेरि होल मेनु नै हाम्रो लागि स्पेसल हो
र आज हामीसँग we have a very special guest as well.
हजुर।
So हाम्रो लागि यहाँले के स्पेशल
ब्रेकफास्टको लागि स्पेसली हमेसै माइन्डमा रहन्छ कि हेल्थिएस्ट ब्रेकफास्ट होस् र मेरो दिन चाहिँ राम्रो रहिरहोस्
Good
त्यो
start,
तरिका
होइन?
हजुर त्यो तरिकाले नै हामीले ब्रेकफास्टलाई एउटा क्रिएटिभिटीमा ढालेको हुन्छ र आज यहाँहरूको लागि फ्रेस एग बेनेडिक्ट विथ भेरी नाइस सस एन्ड जर्मन ससेज विथ ह्यास ब्राउन पोट्याटो र ग्रिल टमाटरको साथमा मैले बनाउँदैछु इन्जोय गर्नु होला
Okay,
Thank you.
so that sounds pretty interesting. We'll try the food and
Thank
we'll
you.
let you know. Thank
So
you
thank
so
you,
much.
thank you. Namaste. Have a great day.
Namaste.
Thank you.
And we have a very, very special guest with us who will join me in this tour. Miss Nepal World 2014, Subin Limbu, is here with me. I'm super excited to be here with her and explore this hotel, food, services, and the logistics.
Thank you so much.
Good morning, Subindi. How
Hi.
are you?
Good morning. I'm fine, thank you. How are you?
I'm good. I love your hair, by the way.
Oh,
So
thank
cool.
you. Thank you so much.
So 2014 को Miss Nepal तपाईं हैन र अहिले त you're not really into media, you a little away from the camera as well. कहाँ हुनुहुन्थ्यो कता हुनुहुन्छ अहिले?
I'm a person who prefers behind the scene kind of work, so I'm working now. And I'm busy with my so-called typical Jagir job 10 to 5, but it's challenging. Just रमाइलो छ जिन्दगी. Even though I'm not in the camera.
त्यसपछि के गर्नुहुन्छ? What is your life like? We want to know everything.
It's a long story. I work as a chief operation officer in airlife, so it's very challenging. It's office work and everything. त्यो पनि छ. But once you work in office, you have a set time to go and work, and त्यसपछि back home and to work home, and कहिलेकाहीँ we go hang out with friends, and that's it. Nothing new.
So are you much of a foodie yourself?
I pray food. I live for food, yeah.
Do you have any specific choice breakfast को लागि पनि?
Well, I have a very interesting yet contrasting kind of breakfast choices. Suppose if you're having dal bhat for dinner, अनि त्यो उब्रेको खाना घिउमा मेथी हालेर पड्काएर बुटी भात भन्छ नि, and with a मरिचको चिया, it's a very good breakfast. But again, you have to see a diet as well. So I go from simple breakfast like bread, eggs, and black tea. That's it.
So अहिलेको लागि चाहिँ since we're here for breakfast, our chef has something very special prepared for the two of us. So let's see what it is.
Yay!
All right. Chef is here. Hello, one more time.
So good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning.
So it's your
Let's have a napkin.
healthiest and very favorite breakfast, egg benedict with German sausage with healthy greenish.
Yes, thank you, chef.
Okay, looks
Thank
like
you.
It's a good response.
So
So let's start. Yeah.
All right. Let me start with the muffin. Just a chef le hamla yo American muffin bhanनुभएको थियो नि. It's really different किनभने अलिकति salty पनि छ, but then it's sweet as well and it's so soft. It's nice.
Yeah, it's good. Good for breakfast.
Sausage को कुरा गर्ने हो भने पनि it's juicy, it's tender and soft, and yeah, it's really nice. You have a lot of responsibility. 2014 ko Miss Nepal huncha yaha. Do you feel obligated towards doing certain things?
Me as a Miss Nepal 2014 भन्दा पनि me as a human being, as a part of a society, I think everyone should feel responsibility towards the society जस्तो लाग्छ, which I totally feel. मलाई चाहिँ Miss Nepal भन्दा पनि as a part of the society त्यो चाहिँ मलाई feel हुन्छ.
Obviously Miss Nepal bhayeपछि there's a lot of glamour, there's a lot of things going on. So how did this happen? 10 to 5 job मा airline मा भन्नुभयो यहाँले.
हजुर.
Something to do with helicopters and all?
Yeah, helicopters more
Is it
specifically.
fun? Because हामीलाई सुन्दाखेरि चाहिँ कस्तो interesting लागिरहेछ, but what is that job like?
It meets my personality जस्तो लाग्छ. It's more of a kind of adventurous and explorative, meeting new people, places, culture and everything. So for a field research को लागि I go sometimes travel lukla, कहिलेकाहीँ for the rescue.
You love socializing, you love exploring new places, हैन नेपालको लोकल खानादेखि प्लेसेसहरु पनि जान यहाँलाई एकदम मन पर्छ हो.
I am an introvert person, to be very honest. I'm an introvert too, but to socialize is something that I've learned throughout these years. And I'm very good with one-to-one interaction like this. तर यदि म ग्रुपमा सोशल ग्यादरिङमा हो भने I usually end up being a very good listener. क्या त्यो कुनामा गएर भन्ने खालको मात्रै हुन्छ. So yeah.
So Suvindi, I had such an interesting conversation with you. In fact, अझै नजिक वेमा चिन्ने यहाँलाई मौका पनि मैले पाएँ. So thank you so much one more time for being with us.
Thank you so much for having me here.
With the growing number of hotels and food outlets in the country, many of our younger generations are exposed to the infrastructures like that of the Western countries instead of being introduced to Nepali culture and its essence. Many of the hotels are built in a compact space and in modern or Western architecture. Hotel Akama is one of the very few hotels in the valley that has a Nepali essence to it, hence promoting what Nepal is all about. So first of all, I loved your hotel. As soon as I entered, interiors देखि लिएर wooden architecture was there. त्यो wall मा पनि with all those decoration, एकदम true Nepali, एकदम authentic design चाहिँ मलाई लाग्यो. It was really different from other hotels as well. But again, अहिले नेपालमा recent years, 1-2 वर्षमा चाहिँ यति धेरै नयाँ hotelsहरु, especially hotelको chains हरु पनि खुलिरहेको छ हैन. र धेरै star hotels पनि अहिले छन् त नेपालमा. So star hotel भनेको चाहिँ खास के हो र यसको star hotel बन्नको लागि कस्तो किसिमको criteriaजहरु चाहिँ follow गर्नुपर्छ?
Number one, they will see the rooms.
Okay.
If it's a 4-star hotels, you need to have minimum 80 rooms, including the suites. That's the first thing what they look at it. The second thing what they look at is the size of the rooms. The 4-star categories of rooms requirement is a minimum 230 square feet area.
Okay.
That's the minimum what you should have. You cannot have smaller than that. Of course, you can have bigger. They'll look at the other aspects such as the, let's talk about the FLS, what we call the fire, lapse and safety, which is the very important aspects of any star rating hotels. Kitchen need to be as required in the norms of the 4-star or 5-star. The most important thing is the hygiene. The HACCP, what they call it. The staff who are working in the kitchen must be basic hygiene knowledge, they should have it. Same way, let's talk about the other facilities. They must have the coffee shop in the hotel, which is required to serve the multi-cuisine food, not only one type of food, but including the local foods. Okay. Let's talk about the other aspects of the star ratings. Parking space, the public area space. Like in the 4-star hotels, you need to have minimum 40 people accommodating capacity in the lobby itself. So these are the basic things which you should have. And if you really go, I mean, it's quite a lot. I mean, it's a list of 3 or 4 or 5 pages which you should have it. But I'm just giving you a few tips.
So these were the basic criteria that all the star hotels, or at least 4-star hotels, should follow. But what is different here in Akama? I mean, how do you differentiate Akama with other star hotels that we have in the country?
You will not find the hotel like Akama in the Kathmandu Valley or outside in terms of design. we would like to represent the hotel as a hotel in Nepal and represent Nepal. If you see, the exterior design is a mix of the fusion of the Himalayan culture and the Newari culture, right? Same with the moment you enter to the hotel, you will feel that you are in the hotel in Nepal, not in any other parts of the world. र यो होटलमा जति पनि एक्सेसरिजहरू छ, I have used for the 5-star hotel.
So basically अब attraction को पनि कुराकानी गर्यौं जब टुरिस्टहरू or even नेपाली क्लाइन्ट्सहरू यहाँ आउनुहुन्छ हैन उहाँहरुको लागि चाहिँ for the entertainment भनौं or उहाँहरुको day spend गर्नको लागि चाहिँ what are the things that they can do here in the hotel without leaving the premises?
We have got lots of things like we have got an infinity pool which is on the 2nd floor, which is very nice, and it has got a attached garden to it, which is next. Attached garden has a pool bar also is there.
Okay.
So they can spend a time in the pool, have drinks and enjoy. Same way, we have a gymnasium, we have got a sauna, we have a steam, we have got a jacuzzi, which they can utilize during the daytime. Of course, F&B outlets are there, where they can go and enjoy. Because birthday parties are we are the 4-star hotels. It's affordable by the people in general.
Okay.
And we are very flexible in terms of our pricing also.
That sounds interesting. One more time, thank you so much for being here with us and for sharing about your hotel and also about everything that we wanted to know. Thank you one more time, sir.
I really thank you very much for coming down and taking so much of time and pain.
Well, we all deserve a little break from our busy lifestyle. But if you're not willing to go too far away from the city, then this would be a perfect getaway. Whether to spend some time with your family, for catching up with your friends, or for some quality me time, Hotel Akama would be the perfect destination.